Guys, the clouds are getting really dark. The camera never really picks it up well, but these are really dark clouds. Oh man. And I'm not sure if the camera's picking this up either. But let's see how heavy the rain is. Oh, the rain isn't too bad. Let's see if I can show you guys. There's a pretty huge okay, there is a wall cloud over there, and that can't be a tornado. No, but like it comes down. I wish I could show you guys better, but oh Jesus! Yeah, but it's like right there. It looks like a freaking tornado.